Why can't I just use RA?
Well, the problem with RA is we're not looking at the ability of what the surface is as far as peak core value. We're averaging all the numbers together. You can have a great RA and have an absolutely horrible cylinder finish. What we're looking at here is we're dealing with a sliding surface. So we have to break those numbers down. RA does not work when we're looking at sliding surfaces. This is great for a stationary surface, let's say cylinder head gasket. And even there, those guys are starting to get away from RA, looking at RZ, which is peak to valley height, or the tooth to seal that gasket. So
when I look at the shapes of these two surfaces, right, take the RA part out and go, okay, that's one surface. And then here's another surface. Well, even though they have the same average, they're wildly different in their ability to contain oil and keep that friction surface, that sliding ring that's going across, where, think about it, these would all be filled like reservoirs full of oil. All these are going to want to do is chew up that surface that's rubbing across them, even though they have the same RA. So the actual mechanical job that's being done there, this one's going to have a terrible ring seal. This one might be somewhat better, but neither of them really give us what we want, is that kind of that ratio between my peak and my core and my valley that needs to happen based on the application. So back when everybody just talked about RA numbers, we also had, like we talked about, everybody's using this stone grit. And I mean, there's probably everybody who say, oh, use this stone, fill size, and then you do how many swipes of this one. And it was like the rubber stamp formula, you know. And that worked because we didn't have as many variables. But now we have all these variables. The blocks are harder. Some blocks are harder than others. Your stone choices range from vitrified stones to diamonds to various levels of that. And then you got CBN cutters now. So what's happened is as we got more variables, the process and the measured values got more specific.